let's go back over this way. Ready? Hi, sweet thing. Hi, sweet thing. So we still are working on a lot going on still, but hi, I'm upside down. Am I upside down now? It's a whole new world. Yeah. There's things on the left side. Yes. Yes, there is. Yeah, let's see now how he's moving his arm is so much better. Yeah. Yeah. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Sit there a little more. Yeah.
Even like when we stretch and pull to the left side, it's like you're not forcing his head to go there anymore.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, the tension, the muscles feel a lot better too.
Yeah.
We still got a little bit there. We're still working on it. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. You're so cute. Yeah.